Investing money is very overlooked because there is nothing in return right away. Time is money, but sometimes you must spend money to make money. Now is a wonderful time to invest money in the markets because you are young and ready to learn. I'm incredible to speak about investing money in the stock markets from the research I have done. I will go over the pros and cons of investing money, the diverse ways you can, and the less risk ways. The problem is not knowing about the stock market. It can be scary if you do not know what you are doing. Once you learn about it, you will know about minimal risk and elevated risk, what is best to invest for you, and the different kind of investments. Many people know about the stock market and the general idea of it. Few people know how it works and what you can do with it. There is a lot about it, and there are people such as stockbrokers that can help get the best deal. If your retirement fund is based off the stock market, it would be a clever idea to learn about the stock market since it is what your money is based off of when you retire. When the economy is doing good, the retirement fund will be doing good. And it is extremely hard to predict what a company's stock will look like a week from now. It could be quite different. Learning about the stock you want to buy could help tremendously, but in the end, you will have to take a loss at some point. You cannot always win in the stock market. The stock market affects everyone, even if you know it or not. It is the growth of the economy and industry, and at some point in school, we have all learned about the times the market has crashed and what it has done to the economy. Companies will vary on stocks all the time. A proper time to buy stocks is right before a company releases something, like Apple with a new iPhone. Everyone likes money. It is just how the world works now. Using the stock market is not a full-time job. It is something you could even do in your free time. Even just a few minutes out of the day could help you a lot. Even if you like dealing with stocks, you can spend more time watching companies and see when they hit their high and low points, and it could help you in the future. A solution could be an elective class in school that goes over the stock market. I think this would be an innovative idea to start students with knowing the general idea of it, or even have a stockbroker talk to students for a few hours just for one day out of the school year. Schools could have a vote on who would want to learn more about the market and who would not. This would work, giving every student a say in it. And implement this into schools to vote on it. The school should listen to what the students want to learn about instead of what they think they should learn. And now there are many types of different stocks you can purchase, such as common stocks, preferred stocks, exchange trade fund, mutual funds, exchange trade notes, blue chip stocks, and penny stocks. Common stocks are riskier than preferred stocks because on a common stock, if the company goes bankrupt, you lose all the money. But on a preferred stock, you would get the money back when the company goes bankrupt. Exchange trade notes are kind of the same as preferred stock, but still different. These can be traded with no taxes on them, making them cheaper if you are trading a lot. Mutual funds pool all the money together, form different investors to buy stocks, and everyone gets the profit off them. They are less risky since the money is spread out, not all in one stock. Exchange trade notes are used for big trades. They can be used to trade and help decide market direction. And blue chips are the more secure and long-term stocks. People are not worried about these stocks when they take a downfall because the stock always returns to where it was at. These stocks can even generate a nice income over time. Penny stocks are any stock $5 and under. These are the starting points for many. They are named for being the riskiest and manipulated, but can create success if they are used right. More people should not fear the stock market and may enjoy watching stocks. Benefits could be endless, from finding a new hobby to becoming rich if used right. But there is always the risk of losing money, and that's just how the stock market works. In conclusion, learning about the stock market can help many, but I understand it is not for everyone. A stockbroker is only a Google search away. This is the research I've done over the stock market. I have learned a lot about it and know that I have barely scratched the surface. I hope I benefited someone that wanted to learn a little bit about something they were interested in, and that more people start looking into the stock market.